everyone, my name is Miss Melissa. Some of you might know me from the Lorton Library, and currently I work with the Kingstown Library. Now that it's summer, some of you might be craving s'mores. And there's a really easy way that you can make your own s'mores at home without a campfire and without making a mess in your microwave. And that's by making your very own solar oven out of some simple materials that you might already have at home. So in order to make our s'more oven, we're going to need some basic supplies, and you'll want to make sure that you have a grown-up to help you with this project. One, we'll need a pizza box, and if you don't have an empty pizza box, you could try using a cardboard box that has a lid attached that opens and closes. We'll also need some black paper, a long stick, such as a dowel, barbecue skewer, even a stick from outside, or a pencil. And then for adult use only, we're gonna need a box cutter or a craft knife. Some tape, wide tape, like packing tape works great, but you can also use any kind of tape you have on hand. Some plastic wrap, you could also use a sheet protector. Some scissors, a piece of aluminum foil, some ingredients for some more if you want something healthier like toast, bread, and some supplies to decorate our pizza box if that's something that you're interested in. Now for this very first step, we're going to want to have adults only do this step because we'll be using a sharp tool. We want to make sure that we're as safe as possible. So grown-ups are going to want to go ahead and take their box cutter or craft knife and cut a flap in the top of the pizza box in order to kind of make the oven door. And what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll cut 3 lines so you can make the flap. Make sure not to cut 4 sides or you'll have a problem. I think the easiest way that I would recommend doing it is if you take a ruler and you go ahead and draw the lines, the 3 lines that you want to cut ahead of time. It makes it easier because then you can just take your cutting tool and go ahead and cut out like that. And then once you have your oven door that the grown-up made, it's time to go ahead and start decorating. I find this is the best time to decorate. Construction paper, markers, crayons, stickers, anything you have on hand to kind of individualize and make your pizza box unique. So once you're done decorating, we're gonna go ahead and use some black paper, and we're gonna put the black paper inside of our box. Now, if you don't have very big paper, one thing that you can do is just kind of overlap it and then just make sure that you tape it down to try to cover as much of the inside of the bottom of the box as possible. Now, why do you think that we use black paper? That's right, so black paper absorbs sunlight. That's why the road in the summertime gets so hot, is because it does such a good job of absorbing the sun. So we're gonna put that on the bottom of the box and tape it down. And then once we have the black paper in there, we can go ahead and close our box back up. And now it's time to go ahead and add some aluminum foil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tape some foil to the inside of this flap here. I just made a few tape loops on my piece of foil that I cut to be the size of the door. And I'm gonna go ahead, kind of press that right down on here. Try to cover as much of that as possible without getting it too wrinkled. Now, why do you think that we use foil? So the reason that we use the foil is because we want to be able to kind of have the sun reflect off of the foil and into the box so we can use the energy from the sun. So now we have our foil on there and we're ready for our next step. So next we're gonna go ahead and take our plastic wrap. So I've got my plastic wrap right here. And this is probably one of the trickier steps because plastic wrap can be hard to deal with sometimes. We're gonna cut off a piece of plastic wrap. We're gonna open up our oven door, kind of put this plastic wrap over the opening of our box. We wanna kind of cover as much of the opening as we can. Put that right inside there. And go ahead and take our tape. kind of tape this plastic wrap in place. There's probably a better way to tape it down. Just kind of experiment and see what works best for your family. And the reason that we are adding the plastic wrap is because it traps the heat inside, but it also allows the sun to get through in there. Kind of like in